In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Evernote efficiently. We'll explore some practical ways to keep your digital workspace tidy and easy to navigate. When it comes to using Evernote, one of the key aspects of staying organized is leveraging the power of notebooks and stacks. Let's start by discussing how to create logical notebooks. Think of notebooks as your digital folders that house notes related to a specific broad topic, whether that's projects, travel plans, or personal goals. By setting up these notebooks, you establish a foundational structure that mimics a filing system in the physical world. For instance, if you're planning a big trip, you might have a notebook titled Travel Plans, where you can store everything from flight itineraries to packing lists. Once you've established your notebooks, the next step is to think about creating stacks. Stacks are collections of related notebooks that help you reduce clutter on the sidebar, creating a more streamlined experience. For example, if you have several notebooks dedicated to different work initiatives, you can group them under a single stack called Work Projects. This way, instead of seeing a long list of notebooks that can become overwhelming, you'll have a neatly grouped stack that encapsulates everything related to your work efforts. To create a stack, simply drag one notebook onto another, and Evernote will automatically prompt you to name the stack. Make sure the name is intuitive and reflective of its contents to make things even clearer at a glance. By effectively utilizing notebooks and stacks, not only do you streamline your Evernote view, but you also enhance your ability to locate notes quickly and efficiently. This organizational method is especially beneficial as your collection of notes grows over time. Remember, the idea is to make your digital workspace an extension of your thought process, so feel free to adapt this basic system to suit your personal needs. You might find it helpful to regularly review and reorganize to ensure your system evolves with you. Experiment with naming conventions for notebooks that resonate with you and can trigger memory recall swiftly. The same goes for stacks. They should mirror broader themes or areas of focus in your life or work. Keeping your digital environment organized allows you to focus on creativity and productivity rather than wasting time rifling through an unorganized mess. So, there you have it. A straightforward process to organize Evernote using logical notebooks and stacks. By following these steps, you'll find that managing your notes feels less like a chore and more like a seamless part of your daily routine. Begin by setting up your notebooks, then group them into stacks for maximum efficiency. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar as you harness the full potential of a well-organized digital workspace.